Sakubona. I have 6 Ndebele words that I want to teach you in this lesson. Very easy to remember and commonly used words that you can begin using and advancing your Ndebele. Okay. Number 1, umuntu. Umuntu means a person. So an example of a sentence using umuntu, ngihlangane lo muntu phandle. I met a person outside. And then the plural of umuntu is abantu. Okay, so abantu means people. Kanti abantu benzani? What are people doing? Number 3, umntwana. Umntwana means what? A child. Umntwana lo ulungile. This child is kind. Okay? And then the plural of umntwana, if we're talking about children, what is the word? Abantwana. Alright? Bangaphi abantwana bakho? Where are your children? Bangaphi means where are they? Alright? Number 5, into. Into means a thing, an item. Okay. Ngipha into leyo. Give me that thing. Alright. So you normally use into when you probably don't really know the name of the thing, or you're too lazy to think of the name. So anything, we can just say, we're talking about the cup, you just say, ngiqhubela into leyo. Yona leyo, into yona leyo. Okay? So it means an item, a thing. And what would be the plural of into? Izinto. Okay. Izinto. Ngicela izinto zami. May I have my things? That's how you say it. Alright. See you in the next lesson.